Welcome back as we now continue the testing procedure with check number 6. Testing for voltage drop or resistance in the circuit. Begin by connecting your voltmeter between the battery positive terminal and the alternator output terminal. Switch on the headlamps to bright beam and start the engine. Hold the revs at around 3000 and observe the voltmeter. The reading should be 0.5 volts or less. A higher reading indicates an excessive resistance in the insulated line. The second part of check number 6 is to connect the voltmeter to battery negative and to the alternator's frame. Once more, switch on headlamps and start up. Hold the revs at around 3000 and observe the meter. A reading of 0 should be obtained. If any voltage is observed, then the return or earth line must be checked at each connection for poor electrical contact. We move on to check number 7 to test the functioning of the regulator. First, we must remove the alternator main lead, but leave the field, or IND, connected. The ammeter is next connected between the battery positive and the alternator output terminal. Have an assistant switch on the lamps and start the engine. Hold the rev steady at around 3000 RPM and observe the ammeter. When the amperage drops to a steady reading after a couple of minutes, observe the voltmeter. The indicated voltage should now read between 13.5 volts and 14.5 volts. Anywhere outside of this range means that the regulator is faulty and will require a replacement. Let's now summarize the full checking procedure. Check 1 is the battery condition. Check 2, the drive belt condition and tension. Check 3 is to ensure that the connections are secure at the alternator. Check 4 to ensure cable continuity. Check 5 is to ensure that the alternator is delivering the required output. Check 6 checks for volt drop and resistance in the circuit. And check 7 tests the regulator. We break now for you to practice the remainder of the procedure.